How do you adjust frame in iMovie on the iPad? Let's get started. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe for more guides and explanations like this one. So you can open up iMovie and everything as usual, right? But what you have to do is, of course, to zoom in as much as possible on the clip right here. And essentially, the point is that we want to select the cut tool, right? We want to split it like that. But the point is that you can actually like zoom in you can zoom in a little bit on the clip, but you cannot really make it go just one frame because the split option is simply not going to be available. So you can make it go a little bit toward the right, so there are like more frames in the shot, and then you can perform the split. So it doesn't let you just customize one specific frame only if you put it together, right? Because this is the limitation of iMovie. So there are a few things which we can do about it. If you have some photos or something which you want to customize specifically, you can move it over as a photo and have it ready in here. Or much better solution would be, if you ask me, to switch to a different video editor. For example, in the CapCut, which I'm not affiliated with them, obviously you can get it for free on the App Store. In there, when we perform the very same thing of zooming in entirely and performing the split, you can literally just move one frame to the right and basically split it like that, right? So it will essentially make it available to have one frame where nothing really happens, or just have that one frame to be customized to change the colors or, do whatever you need. So that's how it works. Obviously, you can even go and have a better software like Final Cut for the iPad, but I believe using CapCut is going to be more than enough for, as an upgrade from iMovie. So I hope it all makes sense. I just tried to explain it the best as I could. Let me know what you think about that below. Stay tuned for more explanations and guides, and I'll see you and talk to you in the next videos as well.